What's going on, my Trusted Signals family? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And if you're watching this video, that means that you probably want to make money hands-free trading. And when I say Trusted Signals has you guys covered, Trusted Signals has you guys covered. So today we're going to talk about how you guys can get results like one of our users right here that is using automatedtrader.com with Trusted Signals to get hands-free money. Okay, we're gonna also talk about how you guys can actually join right now and get presets. Okay, because as you guys can see here, there are other users that are using this tool right now, okay, with an 80% win rate, and they are making money utilizing the presets that we have on our Discord chat. And some of our tools actually have pre-built in presets within the actual tools, such as this one right here. And this is the market analysis strategy version. And as you guys can see here, this one is fully back testable. We have presets that are able to run. We even give you guys the ability to go ahead and learn and pretty much customize every single setting on this specific tool right here to give you guys the best and the most complete trading solution. So first and foremost, if you guys want to go ahead and get access to Trusted Signals, now is the time. Our pricing is about to change. If you're watching this video, that means you can probably get lifetime membership for $4.99. So I suggest you guys do so. And within the next few days, all of the lifetime members are also going to get access to this eatrader.com, which is going to be the super funded EA. As you guys can see here, this is a very, very pricey product, but that's because it's proven over the last 7 or 8 months to be profitable. And as you guys can see here, the price for this is $2,500, okay? Meaning if you guys get Trusted Signals lifetime membership within the next few days inside our Discord community, we're gonna go ahead and drop a link so that way you guys can get access and try it out for absolutely nothing. Now, on top of getting your Trusted Signals membership, you're getting access to our backtestable bots. And like I said, inside our Discord, we have these users who are literally loading up 90% win rate, okay? 90% win rate. And they're loading up their charts so that way you guys can get all of the tools that they offer, okay, that they're using to get results such as this right here. They're giving you guys the presets so that way as soon as you guys become a member, you guys are gonna get access to obviously our Discord chat, and then you're gonna get access to the tools. Once you add these to your chart, you're gonna be able to go ahead and start trading immediately, okay? You're gonna wanna go ahead and hook this up to Automated Trader. Now, this is where things get fun, okay? Because at the end of the day, Automated Trader not only just works for Trusted Signals, this works for every single algo or alert system on Tradingview out there, okay? Now, we're gonna go ahead and give you guys access to this as a lifetime member, and I'm pinning the links inside the comments, okay? Because what we are going to do with this specific software right here, this is a webhook automation platform, and as you guys can see, we are gonna go ahead and set up alerts on TradingView, and it's gonna fire off in your MT4, your Trade Locker, your ActTrader, your Henkel X. You're gonna be able to go ahead and copy trade, and you're also gonna be able to sell your signals as well. So this is gonna go ahead and give you the ability to make thousands of dollars utilizing the tools that you already have in your arsenal. Okay, now keep in mind that right now this is closed off. You cannot check out. And if you wanted to go ahead and let's say, max this out and get 3 accounts, you're looking at $195 a month. But obviously when you're coming, when it comes to trading and you can see what, some of the users are making, it's obviously going to be hands-free money as well. You're literally talking about somebody who's able to, make $6,000 off of this. So $150, that's nothing. But if you guys want to go ahead and get early access and get immediate access after watching this video, go down to the comment section right now, and there's going to be a link, and it's going to be a 50% off code, okay? Because if you guys want to go ahead and see here, let me actually just log in really quick, okay? Okay, so the lifetime membership is $37.50 on the actual live website right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys access for $14.99, okay? $14.99. And like I said, this is gonna get you the ability to turn any specific chart into a webhook, okay? And it's very, very simple. We have videos on that. And like I said, once you guys join the community, you guys are gonna go ahead and see all of the users that are using this and then basically piggyback off of their results, okay? So That's it for Automated Trader Trusted Signals. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and get access to the EA, like I said, get Trusted Signals. You guys are going to be able to test out EA Trader here in the next few days. And when I tell you this thing is amazing, if you guys want partner, broker, and utilize this with our our partner, we have MagnoFX, which is sponsored by HankoX.com. If you guys need a reliable broker, HankoX.com. And I know that there's a lot to unpack in this video, but I haven't made one of these videos, going based upon what we're actually, doing in our ecosystem. Because like I said, when it comes down to our trading tools, we want to become the #1 platform, not just for automation and for trading, but for everything money related. Okay, guys? Because remember, we're going to go ahead and most likely bundle everything here and then basically convert Trusted Signals into trade alerts. Okay. And keep in mind that we actually have a bunch of guides that are going to be releasing here in another, I want to say like 24 hours, 48 hours. And it's going to go over how easy it is to utilize our tools. Okay. The plug and play presets, you literally select your market, set your time frame, load your preset, and you can start trading. So I know that there's a lot to unpack from this video. If you guys want to go ahead and also see access to, the indicator that we released yesterday, we just released an indicator yesterday, and this one is scalping and sniping the markets. People are going crazy inside the Discord chat. And like I said, man, this is going to change the way you guys trade because our tools are making money. Okay, this is another user who is using their US 30 presets, which they give, okay, and they are making money. Okay, as you guys can see here, I'm up $8,000. I don't want to brag, I don't want to go ahead and talk about everything that I got going on. I just want to go ahead and get you guys set off. And at the end of the day, look, Automated Trader, Trade Locker has just went in, and we got a bunch of things for you guys inside the chat. So I hope you guys like these specific style videos. I just really want to go ahead and tell you guys what we got going on. And, from the looks of it, people are going crazy for the new tools, for everything that we have going on. And I can't wait to show you guys the profit post that we are about to have going on inside the Discord community. So join right now, link inside the comments, okay? Stop waiting, stop being hesitant. Trusted Signals has you covered, and we have a money back guarantee. So if you're not happy, ping me, reach out, and let's get started. Peace.